we are born again. What we do today is what matters the most.
A very pleasant morning to one and all present out here. With this beautiful thought, we welcome you to a day filled with joy, learning, and inspiration. The annual function of Class 8 2E.
Just as every sunrise brings new hope, today we gather to shine a light on something equally powerful. The people behind progress, the heartbeat of every nation, are human resources.
Our topic today is not just a chapter in a book, it's the story we live each day. It's about the hands that build, the minds that innovate, and the hearts that care. It's about all of us.
From farmers to engineers, doctors to teachers, it's people who shape our world. And today we celebrate that human potential.
So get ready to experience performances that inform, inspire, and ignite thought. Success is not what you achieve alone, but what you inspire others to do. Today, we express our heartfelt gratitude to the guiding lights of our institution, to our respected MD sir, our principal ma'am, and to all our directors and teachers
for their constant support and guidance. With gratitude in our hearts and excitement in our voices, let the celebration of human resources and the human spirit begin.
A very warm welcome to our SP ma'am.
Please stand up, join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for prayer. Where the mind is without fear and head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments. By narrow domestic walls. Where words come out from the depth of truth. Where the mind is led forward by thee. Into ever-widening thought and action. Into that of freedom, my Father. Let my country awake.
May this prayer fill your hearts with the courage to think freely, act wisely, and serve selflessly. Thank you.
Every day holds a moment that can change the way we see the world. And here arrives a thought to awaken our hearts, the thought of the day.
The strength of an organization lies not in its walls or products, but in the hearts and minds of its people. I repeat my thought. The strength of an organization lies not in its walls or products, but in the hearts and minds of its people. Thank you.
When minds connect and words flow, the discussion becomes more than conversation. It becomes creation. Through this exchange, we honor human resources, the people, the passion and power behind every achievement. The stage is set, the voices awaken. Welcome to our group discussion.
Sama, can you tell what do you mean by human resources and why are they important for a country's growth?
Yes, I can. Human resources are the people who work in different sectors to improve the economy, like doctors, teachers, farmers, and scientists. They are the real power behind machines, factories, and even technology. Without skilled people, no country can grow.
I want to add one more point to this. Think about it. A country may have gold, oil, or fertile land, but none of it is useful unless people are trained to use it. That's why Japan, with very few natural resources, became a developed nation. It invested in its people.
Moreover, human resources include physical and mental strength, skills, creativity, and even decision making. It's not just about numbers, but about quality too. A healthy, educated person can contribute more than 5 untrained people.
Additionally, that's why schools, hospitals, and skill training centers are essential. They don't just help individuals, they help nations build strong human resources that can compete in the global world.
Can you tell me, Athar, what are some real ways to improve the quality of human resources in India?
Yes, I can.
First, education. India has expanded its medical colleges from 387 to 731 in the last decade. This means more professionals and doctors are being created every year, which is a great step.
Additionally, in recent years, India has developed significantly in educational sector. The numbers of colleges and educational institutions has doubled in recent years. There were 16 IITs in 2014 and now there are 23.
Second, healthcare. If a person is not healthy, their skills go to waste. The government is focusing more on healthcare services now, but many rural areas still lack enough doctors and nurses.
According to me, skill development is also crucial. Not everyone needs to be a doctor. We also need electricians, designers, coders, and mechanics. The government has launched programs like Skill India to train people in different jobs. Another way is to promote soft skills like communication and teamwork. Many young people have degrees today but struggle in jobs due to poor confidence or work habits. So character building matters too.
Uddhav, can you tell, is a large population always helpful for building strong human resources?
Not really. India has over 1.4 billion people, but only a portion of them are trained or employed. According to NSSO, 3.1 million out of 5.7 million registered health workers are actively working. That's a huge gap.
But I think a large population is useful only if we educate and train people properly. Otherwise, it just increases unemployment and poverty. Quality matters more than just quantity.
Also, many rural areas lack even basic training centers or health staffs. About 66% of Indians live in villages, but only 33% of health workers serve those areas. So, even if people are available, they are not being used well.
So, just having more people doesn't help. A small group of well-trained, healthy and responsible citizens is more powerful than a large unskilled crowd.
Ganesh, can you explain how important is the role of women in building India's human resources?
Yes, I can. Women make up almost half of the year's population. If we do not educate or train them, we are wasting 50% of our human resource potential. That's like trying to run a race with one leg.
In addition, I would like to say, studies show that when girls are educated, they not only work better, but also improve the health and education of the next generation. So, empowering women helps the society and improves the world.
Unfortunately, many girls drop out after primary school due to social pressure or lack of sanitation facilities in school. We need more awareness and better facilities to keep them in education.
Additionally, equal opportunities for women in jobs like STEAM, medicine, defense and government can completely change India's future. A strong human resource system cannot be built without women.
But what can we as students do today to become strong human resources in the future?
We must focus on learning not just for maths but for real life skills, whether it's science, computers or art. Every subject adds to our values as usual professionals.
I would like to add a point. Staying active is also necessary. A weak or tired body can't work or grow. Eating right, staying active, and avoiding screen addictions are all parts of becoming a strong human resource. Additionally, getting involved in group projects, school events, and even helping others can teach us responsibility, leadership, and teamwork, all skills needed for any job.
Most importantly, we should stay curious, kind, and open for learning new things. A person who keeps learning and improving becomes a priceless human asset to any nation.
I would add that technology training is also becoming a major part of human resource development. In today's world, digital literacy is as important as basic education. Countries that train their people in technology are moving ahead faster.
I think that we should also encourage innovation and entrepreneurship among the youth. When people create jobs instead of just seeking them, it multiplies the opportunities and strengthens the human resource base.
Today, we learned that human resources is not just about having people, but it's about developing their mind, bodies, and skills. Countries that invest in their people through education, healthcare, and equality always move ahead. As students, we are the future workforce of our country. We should prepare ourselves to be healthy,
skillful, and responsible citizens. Thank you.
When grace finds a body and rhythm finds a soul, a language beyond words begins to bloom. And now, as the stage turns into poetry and every heartbeat hums in harmony, witness the charm of our gifted girls in the divine art of classical dance.
And now we are going to hear from the one who will take us into the world of people, knowledge and ideas. So please welcome Garima, Vivan and Harshda, the hosts of our today's Insight Show on Human Resources.
Before I start, I want you to imagine something. Imagine walking into a place where people greet you with a smile, where your ideas are heard and where you actually feel like you belong to. Sounds good, right? That's the part of putting the human back into human resources. And that's exactly what we're going to learn and explore together today. Who here knows the term human resources? And who here thinks they know what the term human resources means?
I'm not an expert, but HR feels like the team that keeps things running smoothly between employees and the organization.
Yes, somewhat close. It means people in an organization. It's more than just a department. It's about people, their growth, and their happiness. When we hear the term human resources, we often think about hiring, payroll, or employee management. But sometimes, in the rush of work and technology, we forget the one very simple thing, the word human. Human resources are not just about managing people. It's about understanding them, their feelings, their struggles, and their dreams. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt happier working in a place where someone truly listens to you? Or motivated when your efforts are appreciated?
Yes, definitely. But I would like you to put some more light to it.
Exactly. That's what a real human resource is about. Making the people feel seen, heard, and valued. A successful human resource is not the one who just fills position, but the one who creates trust, builds connection, and even motivates the employees to give their best. In today's digital world, we have many tools and systems, but what truly makes an organization grow is empathy, communication, and care. When employees feel respected and valued, they just don't work, they contribute with hearts. So, let's remember that human resources are not just about managing humans, it is about valuing humans. After all, happy people build successful companies.
Thank you, Garima. You inspired us today and told us the importance of human resources.
You're welcome. Thank
you.
Stories come alive when imagination takes the stage, where thought and laughter mingle on every page. Get ready to step into the world of fun, drama, and revolution as our talented students bring to life an entertaining skit.
Scene 1. The park. The skit begins in a lively park. Children are laughing, playing, and enjoying the day. Among them is Ria, a curious girl who always asks questions, and her best friend Rohan.
Four friends are playing video games and enjoying.
Wow, I reached the next level. See, I have also reached the next level and you can't beat me.
No, you both can't beat me. I am 2 levels higher than you. Just then, Ria and Rohan enter the park.
Hey guys, you're playing video games here too?
Yes, we are.
Seriously, can't you take a break from screens?
No, we can't.
But wait, who invented video games?
I don't know, maybe some scientist.
And who invented tea? Who invented tables, benches, schools, everything around that?
Ria, you're sounding like a question machine today.
Yes, I agree with you, Rohan. Yes, Ria, what happened to you today?
No, friends, I'm really wondering who created all these things around us?
This small question becomes the beginning of a big understanding.
Scene 2. The realization. The next evening, Ria and Rohan sit on chairs in the park, still deep in thought. Father enters the park with a smile.
Namaste, beta. What's this serious discussion, my little scientists?
Dad, I kept thinking, who made all this possible? Who invented our schools, our teachers, our books, and even these benches we sit on? Who discovered medicines, built roads, created games and machines? Everything around us, from the smallest pin to the biggest airplane. Who invented all these?
Ria, all these things are created by humans, the people who use their knowledge, skills, and creativity to create these things are called human resources.
Human resources?
Yes, humans are the greatest resource on earth. Everything, machines, tools, buildings, all have been built by humans.
Then I'm useless, Dad. I haven't created anything.
Mother, grandmother, and grandfather now walk in gently to join them.
Namaste, Grandpa and Grandma.
No child is useless, Ria. You are still learning.
And even a seed takes time to grow into a tree. Growth is slow but meaningful.
And even the biggest tree begins as a tiny seed. Your success will grow when right time comes.
Remember, nothing is impossible for humans who try.
Ria smiles and Rohan supports her.
Come on, Ria. We will discover something meaningful together.
This is the moment Ria begins to believe in her own abilities.
Scene 3. The Spark. As said previously, the next day dawns bright in the same park. A new morning brings a new idea.
Rohan, I want to do something to help people.
That's great, but what?
Just then they see a child struggling with hearing aids and books.
Look, that child cannot hear the teacher properly.
Yes, education becomes difficult for such students.
I want to create educational headphones. Headphones that help handicapped children learn in any language without pressing a single button.
Wow, that's great. Let's make it happen.
And so, Ria and Rohan begin working, not for marks or praise, but to help someone.
Scene 4. Wisdom from experience. Ria and Rohan decide to meet the oldest and wisest man in the city, Mr. Mehta, to learn more about human resources and accountability. They walk to Mr. Mehta's house and greet him warmly.
Namaste, Grandpa Mehta. We wanted to ask you something.
Of course, my child. What is it?
Why are human resources so important?
Humans are not just people. They are the mind full of ideas, hearts full of courage, and hands full of skill. Machines may work faster, but they are made by humans. Technology may be smarter, but it is born from human intelligence. Every great invention, the wheel, electricity, airplanes, come from the human mind.
So humans can create anything with knowledge and skills?
Exactly, Rohan. Human resources turn dreams into reality.
Ria and Rohan smile with confidence and thank Mr. Mehta before leaving.
Scene 5. The invention. Days pass. Ria and Rohan work hard with dedication and effort. Finally, the day arrives when they present the invention in the same park. A small display table with headphones is placed for everyone to see.
Hi everyone. This is our educational headphones. Headphones that help handicapped children learn in 12 languages without pressing a single button.
We use our ideas, knowledge and skills just like human resources do every day.
Well done, beta. This is the power of human creativity, courage, and patience to begin.
Machines, money and material can be lost, but human knowledge and skill can rebuild everything.
Now Ria and Rohan come forward to speak together.
Human resources are the heart of creation.
With knowledge, we can make the world a better place.
Humans are the greatest resource of all. With knowledge, creativity, kindness and teamwork, anything is possible.
Thank you.
धड़कनों में छुपा संगीत, खामोशियों में बहती लहर, शब्दों के परे, एहसासों के पार। अब हमारे मंच पर गूंजेगा सूफी संगीत।
अपनी छब बनाए के जो मैं गई पिया के पास, जो छब देखी पियों की अपनी भूल गए। मुझसे नैना नैना नैना, 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 मुझसे साफ तिलक सब छीन नैना मिले, साफ तिलक सब छीन नैना मिले। खुसरो निजाम के बन बन गई, खुसरो निजाम के बन बन गई, जी बली बली गई, जी बली बली गई, खुसरो निजाम के बन बन गई। अब सुहागन दी मेरे नैना मिले, झांक तिलक सब छीन मेरे मुझसे नैना मिले। ओ लाली मेरे लाल की, जित देखूं तित लाल, ओ लाली देखने मैं गई, मैं भी हो गई लाल। गोरी मैया हरी हरी चूड़ियाँ, गोरी गोरी मैया हरी हरी चूड़ियाँ, जी हरी हरी चूड़ियाँ, जी हरी हरी चूड़ियाँ, गोरी गोरी मैया हरी हरी चूड़ियाँ। हरे मेरे मुझसे नैना मिले, झांक तिलक सब छीन मेरे मुझसे नैना मिले, अब तिलक सब छीन मेरे मुझसे नैना मिले। ना 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 दे दे दीन दादी, ना ना ने ना दे दे दीन दादी, ना ना ने ना दे दे दीन दादी, ना ना ने ना दे दे दुम दे दे दीन दादा ने ना, ना दे दे दुम दे दे दीन दादा ने ना, दादी आदम दादा ने दीन दादा ने ना, दादी आदम दादा ने दीन दादा ने ना, ना दे दे दीन दादी, ना ना ने ना दे दे दीन दादी, ना ना ने ना दे दे दीन दादी, दीन दादी, दीन दादी।
Some ideas shape the way we work, and some lines of poetry reflect the spirit of collaboration. They together beat worlds, presenting a performance that celebrates vision, teamwork, and the power of people. Written by our talented classmate Tanvi Saraswat.
It's not just the steel, the stone or wire that builds up a tower or feeds a new fire. Look closely behind every system we see. The true beating engine is you and it's me.
The resource that matters, not mined from the ground. It's the skill and knowledge that is constantly found. In every classroom, factory, and office you work, it's the human capital our effort and talk.
A hand that can fix a machine that is broken. A mind that can speak words that need to be spoken. The planner who organizes, the leader who guides. The team that shows up, putting differences aside.
We are the doctors who mend, who heal, the creators whose visions and artistry appeal. We are the coders who write the languages of might. We are the teachers that fill every future with light.
This is the power that can learn and grow. The more you invest, the better it will flow. When training is offered and respect is shown, the greatest success that a company know will come from its people, their effort, their drive. The best human resource, the reason we thrive. Thank you.
When strings whisper, rhythms breathe, silence turns into emotion. Before presenting your instrumental performance, a tribute to R.D. Burman.
words can turn the dark to bright. Even the quietest notes can fill the soul with light. So listen in and feel the melody flow as the notes of our English song takes you where you long to go.
If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle go 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles. You can hear the whistle go 100 miles. Lord, I'm one, Lord, I'm two, Lord, I'm three, Lord, I'm four, Lord, I'm 500 miles away from home, away from home, away from home, away from home, away from home. Lord, I'm 500 miles away from home. Not a shirt on my back, not a penny to my name. Lord, I can't go back home this away, this away, this away, this away, this away. Lord, I can't go back home this away. If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. Thank you.
कहानियां जागती हैं, आवाजें गूंजती दर बदर। चलो चलते हैं नुक्कड़ नाटक के सफर पर।
यह है शर्मा एंड कंपनी। यहाँ फाइलें हैं, मशीनें हैं, लोग भी हैं, पर उत्साह वह कहीं खो गया है।
रवि, एक गुट अपनी पूरी क्यों नहीं हुई?
सर, रोज 10 घंटे काम करते हैं, पर स्टाफ कम है, कोई सहायता नहीं और कोई ट्रेनिंग भी नहीं। बस कहते हैं काम पूरा करो।
सर, मैंने ज्वाइन तो किया, पर यह समझ नहीं आया यहाँ टीम वर्क किसे कहते हैं।
साहब, चाय में मिठास तभी आती है जब सब मिलकर हिलाएं, अकेले नहीं। हाँ, गलती शायद मुझसे ही हुई है। मैंने मशीनों में निवेश किया, इंसानों में नहीं।
यही तो समस्या है। जब इंसान को केवल काम का औजार मान लिया जाए तो विकास रुक जाता है। यही तो असली समस्या है, यही तो असली समस्या है, समस्या है, समस्या है। कुछ दिनों बाद शर्मा जी ने फैसला किया कि अब कंपनी चलेगी इंसानों के साथ, उनके लिए। सुनो सुनो, मैं हूँ आप सबकी मोटिवेशनल कोच।
मोटिवेशनल कोच?
देखो दोस्तों, मानव संसाधन का मतलब है हर एक व्यक्ति के अंदर उसकी छुपी शक्ति को पहचानना। अब हम एक नई शुरुआत करेंगे, संवाद, प्रशिक्षण और टीम वर्क के साथ।
संवाद, प्रशिक्षण और टीम वर्क के साथ।
अगर हमें नए विचारों पर बात करने का मौका मिले तो कंपनी जरूर आगे जाएगी।
जरूर आगे जाएगी, जरूर आगे जाएगी।
और अगर हमें हमारे काम की पहचान मिले तो हम इनसे काम करेंगे।
हम यह चाहते हैं कि हमारी मेहनत का मूल्यांकन इन फाइलों से नहीं, मुस्कान से हो।
सही कहा। इसलिए हम हर महीने कर्मचारी दिवस मनाएंगे, इसमें हर व्यक्ति के काम को सराहा जाएगा। सही कहा, सही कहा।
दोस्तों, जब इंसानों को सम्मान मिलता है तो वो सिर्फ काम नहीं, कमाल करता है। 6 महीने बाद वह कंपनी जो कभी ठहर ही गई थी, आज पूरे शहर में चर्चा का विषय है।
सफल हुए, हाँ हाँ सफल हुए।
सर, अब काम बोझ नहीं लगता, मजा आने लगा है। पहली
हर नए कर्मचारी को हम खुद सिखाते हैं टीम वर्क क्या होता है।
देखो, यही तो है मानव संसाधन प्रबंधन, जहाँ हर एक व्यक्ति की क्षमता को सही दिशा मिलती है।
दिशा मिली।
मैंने सीखा मशीनें उत्पादन करती है परंतु विकास इंसान ही करता है।
बिल्कुल, जब सब मिलकर काम करें तो देश चमक उठे।
मानव संसाधन ही देश की सच्ची पूंजी है। अगर इंसान सशक्त है तो भारत शक्तिशाली है।
मानव संसाधन राष्ट्र का आधार, हर हाथ बने रोजगार, कीमत में है शक्ति अपार, ये विकास का सच्चा सार, ये विकास का सच्चा सार। धन्यवाद।
कविता वह संगीत है जो शब्दों से नहीं भावनाओं से बजता है। आज हमारे मंच पर पेश है एक ऐसा अद्भुत काव्य जो हमारे समारोह के विषय मानव संसाधन की भावना को जीवंत करता है। प्रस्तुत है हिंदी कविता।
मानव ही सबसे बड़ा है संसाधन, उसकी शक्ति से चलता है राष्ट्र महान। उसकी मेहनत से खिले खेत और बड़े उद्योगों की शान। हर दिल में जब जागे उत्साह और कर्म का सम्मान, तभी बनता है सशक्त समाज, होता भारत महान।
मेहनत, कौशल और शिक्षा से बनता है
मेहनत, कौशल और शिक्षा से बनता है प्रगति का आधार। ज्ञान और अनुभव से सजता है हर काम का संसार। जब हर व्यक्ति जाने अपनी कीमत और अधिकार, तभी होता है विकास सच्चा, उज्जवल हो भविष्य अपार।
हर हाथ को जब मिले अवसर, तभी सजे सपनों का व्यापार। भेदभाव मिटे, बढ़े सबके सपनों का व्यापार। एकता से बढ़े कदम, न रुके किसी का विस्तार। मानव संसाधन बने तब देश का सच्चा आधार। आओ मिलकर करें प्रयास, मानव संसाधन का करें सम्मान। हर व्यक्ति में छिपा है प्रतिभा का अमूल्य वरदान। शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य और श्रम से भरे नव उत्साह का गान। मानवता के पथ पर बढ़े भारत, बने विश्व का अभिमान। धन्यवाद।
Some stories are best told without words, where bodies become Bushy's movement, compose symphonies, and every glance has a meaning, bringing life to the stage like never before. Presenting before you the vibrant and enchanting group dance.
Gentlemen, today we present a glimpse of Rajasthan, the land of colors and culture. Children, the tiny red seed, worn as jewelry, symbolizes love, beauty, and good fortune. This dance celebrates simplicity, the soft sway of the khagra, and the grace of traditional music, capturing the true soul of Rajasthan. Presenting Chirmi.
चिरनी
Now, we bring before you the vibrant spirit of Rajasthan through the traditional Chang dance, known for its rhythm, energy, and colorful celebration. Chang dance has its roots in the ancient festival of Holi, where villagers come together to sing, dance, and rejoice with the beat of the Chang instrument. This dance is not just a performance, it is a story of joy, unity, and the simple beauty of rural Rajasthan. Every step, every swirl of the costume, and every beat of the drum carries the fragrance of desert life, the warmth of the community, and the grace of Rajasthani culture. So get ready to experience the charm, the simplicity, and the timeless elegance of the Rajasthani Chang dance.
We bring to you the timeless Kumar of Rajasthan, first performed by the Bhil community and later loved by Rajput queens. Its beauty lies in the swirling hanga, gentle movements, and graceful gestures that honor tradition and pride. Presenting Kumar.
And now, we bring before you one of the Rajasthan's most charming gifts to the world, the Rajasthani puppet dance, also known as Kathputli. Its history goes back more than 1,000 years, where royal courts and village gatherings were brought to life by storytellers who used puppets to share tales of bravery, love and culture. These handcrafted wooden puppets, dressed in vibrant Rajasthani attire, are more than just dolls. They are living stories. Their movements may be simple, but in that simplicity lies a rare beauty. A beauty that reflects Rajasthan's traditions, its colors and its soul. So sit back and enjoy a dance where thread moves the puppets, but emotions move our hearts. Presenting the graceful and timeless Rajasthani puppet dance.